Hello guys, so it's raining right now, but I feel like this is the perfect time to show you guys how an overwatered thyme looks like. So you can see this bottom part, right? It has turned brown and it's wilted. And you can, if you touch it, right, it's actually quite soft and smooshy lah. And then this is another example. This stem over here, like on top, it looks perfect. But then when you look at the bottom part of it, right, you can see it's brown, you know. You can see like everything else is green except for this part. So this is actually one common sign that is being overwatered. Then this plant over here is like super overwatered. You can see most of the plant is pretty much gone. So hopefully tomorrow is a really sunny day, or else this plant high chance would die unless I bring it in and I give it a really dry soil. And you know, just like letting you guys know, right, my soil for thyme plant is actually really sandy already, but because it's monsoon season in Malaysia, so that's why a lot of them keeps getting like overwatered. So if you like this video and you like to learn more about gardening, make sure you give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel.